Come on, Marla, let's go take a walk down the beach. Wind today, so it should be fine. Should be better here. She got no sweater on today, Miss Molly. Come on, let's go down to the beach. They don't really clean the seaweed out of here until later. Go ahead, you gotta take a poo? Gotta take a pee? Go ahead. Let her rip. There you go. Good job, Miss Molly. Yeah, you're letting it rip, Miss Molly. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's nice. Usually come here, it's windy. You can't really film because you can't. It's too windy. You hear all the wind noise in the camera. Oh man, you gotta push out a Fritz? For a flipping house. Hope you ain't got the shits, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, she's nice and calm. There's a Dartmouth beach down the end over there. Over past that barrier, that's the Dartmouth beach. And then this one's private. This one's private for the Round Hill residents. You can see they gotta come here and clean all the seaweed up. See that barrier down there? On the other side of that's the Dartmouth Round Hill Beach. This is Round Hill residence. Yeah. Only way to get in over here is if you're working over here. Let's take a little stroll down here and see what's happening. There's the ocean right there. The Atlantic Ocean. I think that there might be Martha's Vineyard type of stuff, you know, over that way. There's little islands and next to Martha's Vineyard. Rickerson's Point.